yan. Diretso lang ha. Diretso. Basta yung paghagis mo, diretso lang. Huwag mong pataas. Diretso lang.
Dito sir,
Ah. Wait. One last check. Left, right. Game. 1, 2. Kaso parang hirap pag mababang lipad.
Ano?
Parang hirap pag mababang lipad.
Kaya nga eh.
No power yan.
Oo.
No hands.
Naka CG, silisi na.
Tulin pala nito, pre.
Tulin yan, boss. Naka 4S yan eh.
Hindi, walang power. Walang power.
Hirap nga ako i-landing niya.
Walang power yan, tingnan mo. Woo! Putang ina, pinalo.
Saka dapat na magla-landing niya. Tao ba doon?
Power. Ayan, wala nang power yan, Chong. No hands. No hands.
Naka CG.
Tapos rudder lang. Tapos rudder lang ako. Yan o, rudder lang ako.
Hindi ko kaya yung ganyan liko, boss.
Kanan no, galing ka rin sa kaliwa eh.
Nasanay kami sa gulog na liko namin, pakaliwa eh.
Dapat mag 8-8 ka.
Wala bang tao doon?
Yan, wala nang power yan.
Ang bilis eh, no?
Oh, wala.
Oo nga, sige.
Yan, subukan mo power off, tapos i-level mo lang. Tapos rudder ka na lang pagliliko. Tapos elevator pag bumabagsak. Oh, huwag mong iikot ng todo. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang.
few moments, we will be going the
Huwag masyadong hilahin yung elevator.
yesterday's very successful
I-level mo lang.
distance climb competition. So we'd like to ask those who are interested in winning prizes to join us inside the stadium for the paper airplane distance flying competition in just a few moments.
Yan, wala nang power yan. Tapos rudder lang. Tignan mo. Wala masyadong input sa elevator. Konti lang. Tapos hilahin mo pag bumagsak yung nose.
Walang power yan?
Wala.
Yan, meron.
Meron na yan. Siyempre. Akyat ko pa.
competition.
Yeah, wala power yan.
Pasok po kayo dito sa stadium, malapit na pong mag-distribute ng papel para sa inyong paper airplane.
Yeah, wala rin power yan. Glide lang yan.
Muli, ang lahat ng ikristal
Tapos, alalay lang.
flies and guests, kasama po ang paper airplanes. That is probably one of the first aerobatic experiences that children have, and we love to encourage that in both kids and kids at heart. So here we're going to be having a paper plane competition. We'll win a cash prize. Yes, that is true. We will be giving out a cash prize for the
Say.
best planes. Alright? So sa mga gusto pong sumali dito sa paper
They're now checking the engines.
You will count.
Ako ba mauna?
Wait, listen to me.
Full thrust before the
Pag take
race.
off, iikot doon.
Yes.
Pagdaan dyan sa line na yan, 1,
One, yes.
2,
Yep.
3, and so forth. Pag 10 na, you lift up your hand.
Okay.
Tapos you count silently ganyan. Dito para hindi makakapag you shout. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Orient ko, ay.
Ito mas malikot to kasi bubungguan talaga kung hindi mag-ilagan. Tama ba, coach?
Okay na.
Taas ang kamay. Counter.
Counter. Pararap. Pararap.
Hey guys, everybody! Mga po na nandito sa loob na nagpapalamig at handa na po sa araw ng gabi. Everybody, can we all clap our hands for the RC Pilot? We're about to see them do their best. Ilan here, ilan there. Up and down they go, overtaking beautiful. It's time for the race, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, stop the race.
Okay, that's just a practice. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa practice run? Yes, marami ba yan?
Stop. Stop the race, diba?
Stop the racer.
Just making sure that we're able to have a free air above land, safe as we could, away from our spectators.
Way too early. Kumain ng damo.
I'll be waiting for Michael.
Ha?
They will be adjusting the countdown to 10 seconds.
Lahat po ng mga bata, ayan, your dreams come true.
Some last minute adjustments. We're almost ready to start the race in earnest.
Guys, RC pilots are preparing for its roll.
Alright. Okay, ready on the countdown, gentlemen. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, you you can see somebody that's even going upside down in order to go as fast as possible, using the body weight and trajectory of the airplane to make tighter turns than their opponents. One has hit the pylon and is out of the race. Others are trying to turn on the inside. Turn inside your opponent. But you have to pace yourself because the race leader is in everybody's gun sights. So far, so good. It's amazing to see that despite their fight for the lead, they are maintaining enough space and not to hit each other.
Eyeballing each other right now. I said in and out they go. Away they go, away.
This one is so aerobatic. Looks like we have a winner.
Paano patayin yung motor? Ha? Paano patayin yung motor?
Walang.
These are remote-controlled electric gliders, but they are very, very maneuverable. Alright.
Makasa talaga ito.
RC Pylon Racing. That's what I'm One hand catch. Catch is moving.
Yes! Adrenaline rush.
Kumain ng damo. Win, eat your grass.
Everybody, take out all of our pilots. For a photo opportunity.
Ha? Hindi ako nakaraan.
Okay, picture. Harap doon.
Okay guys, we'll be having a photo opportunity. Congratulations to all of our winners. At aming po inaanyayahan ang lahat sa aming hangar. Asya lang po kami sa ilalim lamang po ng hagdan.
Alright. We're gonna be doing a quick awarding ceremony, like shotgun award ceremony, courtesy of our Air Boss, Captain Erwin. Alright. They're still arguing over who is third, second, and first place.
Third and second. O, sige.
Alright, Cap
Third
Erwin.
place, Roy.
In third place is.
Third place is Roy Donasco.
Alright, second place is.
Punta ka doon. Oh. Erwin G. Erwin Ginto.
Erwin Ginto from Paradas Barca Club.
And in first place is. Ano ang first place natin? Walang first place. Walang first place. Ayun, nasa kabila. In first place. Sir, what's your name?
Secret.